The art of asking, how to ask the universe to get everything. The art of asking typically refers to the practice of requesting assistance, guidance, or opportunities from the universe, whether through prayer, meditation, manifestation techniques, or simply setting intentions. It's a concept often associated with the law of attraction and similar spiritual beliefs. Here's a general framework for effectively asking the universe for what you want. To clarify your desires, start by reflecting on what you truly want in different areas of your life, such as career, relationships, health, and personal growth. Here are some steps to help you clarify your desires. Self-reflection. Take some time to reflect on what truly makes you happy and fulfilled. Consider your values, passions, and long-term goals. Write it down. Grab a pen and paper, or open a document on your computer and start writing down your desires. Be specific and detailed about what you want to achieve or manifest in each area of your life. Prioritize. Once you have a list of desires, prioritize them based on what is most important to you right now. What do you want to focus on first? Visualize. Close your eyes and visualize yourself already in possession of your desires. Imagine how it feels to have achieved your goals. Visualization can help make your desires feel more real and attainable. Be specific. Make sure your desires are specific and measurable. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," specify what success means to you and what it looks like in tangible terms. Listen to your intuition. Pay attention to your gut feelings and intuition when clarifying your desires. Sometimes, your inner voice can provide valuable insights into what you truly want. Stay open to possibilities. While it's important to be clear about your desires, also remain open to unexpected opportunities and possibilities that may arise along the way. The universe may have a way of delivering your desires in ways you never imagined. By clarifying your desires, you set a clear direction for yourself and open yourself up to the possibilities of manifesting the life you truly want. Visualization is a powerful technique used to mentally create and experience desired outcomes. Here's how you can use visualization effectively. Create a quiet space. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position. Relax your body. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your body and mind. Let go of any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Visualize your desire. Begin to imagine yourself already in possession of your desire. See it in vivid detail in your mind's eye. Imagine how it looks, feels, sounds, and even smells. Engage your senses. Use all of your senses to make the visualization as real as possible. Notice the colors, textures, and shapes around you. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your desire. Stay focused. Keep your attention focused on your visualization and try to maintain a positive and confident attitude throughout the process. Practice regularly. Make visualization a regular part of your routine. Set aside time each day to visualize your desires, ideally in the morning or before bed when your mind is most receptive. Believe in the outcome. Have faith that your desires are already on their way to you. Trust in the power of visualization to manifest your dreams into reality. Express gratitude. As you finish your visualization, take a moment to express gratitude for the opportunity to manifest your desires. Gratitude helps to amplify positive energy and attract more abundance into your life. By practicing visualization regularly and with intention, you can align your thoughts and emotions with your desires, making them more likely to manifest in your life. Setting intentions is a practice that involves consciously focusing your thoughts and energy on what you want to manifest or achieve in your life. Here's how to set intentions effectively. Be clear and specific. Clearly define what you want to manifest or achieve. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to focus your energy on your intention. Use positive language. Phrase your intentions in positive terms, focusing on what you want rather than what you don't want. For example, instead of saying, "I don't want to be stressed," say, "I intend to feel calm and relaxed." Write it down. Write your intentions down on paper or in a journal. This helps to solidify them in your mind and gives you something to refer back to. Repeat affirmations. Create affirmations that support your intentions and repeat them regularly. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your beliefs and help to reprogram your subconscious mind. Visualize your intentions. Visualize yourself already in possession of your desires and experiencing the outcomes you want. See yourself achieving your goals and feel the emotions associated with success. Set a timeline. Determine a realistic timeline for achieving your intentions. This helps to create a sense of urgency and keeps you focused on taking action. Release attachment. Let go of any attachment to the outcome of your intentions. Trust that the universe will deliver what is best for you, even if it doesn't match exactly what you envisioned. Take inspired action. Take action towards your intentions and goals. Look for opportunities to move closer to what you want and be open to receiving guidance and support from the universe. Review and adjust. Regularly review your intentions and adjust them as needed. As you progress towards your goals, you may find that your intentions evolve or change. Setting intentions is a powerful practice that can help you align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your desires, making it more likely that you will achieve your goals and manifest your dreams into reality. Releasing attachment is an essential aspect of manifesting your desires and living a more fulfilling life. Here's how to release attachment effectively. Trust in the process. Have faith that the universe has a plan for you and that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Trust that your desires are being manifested in the perfect time and in the perfect way. Let go of the need for control. Understand that you cannot control every aspect of your life or force things to happen according to your timeline. Surrender to the flow of life and trust that everything is working out for your highest good. Practice mindfulness. Stay present in the moment and focus on what you can control right now. Let go of worries about the past or anxieties about the future. Cultivate a sense of peace and acceptance in the present moment. Detach from outcomes. Release any attachment to specific outcomes or results. Instead of fixating on a particular outcome, focus on the feelings and emotions associated with your desires. Trust that the universe will bring you what you need, even if it looks different from what you expected. Practice gratitude. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude for what you already have in your life. Focus on the abundance and blessings that surround you, rather than dwelling on what you lack. Gratitude helps to shift your perspective and attract more positive experiences into your life. Stay open to possibilities. Remain open to unexpected opportunities and blessings that may come your way. Sometimes, the universe has a way of delivering your desires in ways you never could have imagined. Stay flexible and receptive to whatever comes your way. Release resistance. Let go of any resistance or negative beliefs that may be blocking the flow of abundance into your life. Practice forgiveness, acceptance, and self-love to release resistance and create space for positive energy to flow. By releasing attachment and surrendering to the flow of life, you can open yourself up to greater abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Trust in the process and have faith that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Taking inspired action is a crucial step in manifesting your desires and creating positive change in your life. Here's how to take inspired action effectively. Listen to your intuition. Pay attention to your inner guidance and intuition. Your intuition often provides valuable insights and nudges you in the right direction. Trust your instincts and follow the inner voice that guides you towards your desires. Set clear goals. Define clear and specific goals that align with your desires. Break down your goals into actionable steps that you can take to move closer to what you want to manifest. Stay open to opportunities. Be open and receptive to opportunities that come your way, even if they don't seem directly related to your goals. Sometimes, the universe presents opportunities in unexpected ways, so stay open to new experiences and possibilities. Take consistent action. Consistently take action towards your goals, even if it's just small steps each day. Progress is made through consistent effort over time, so stay committed to taking action, no matter how small. Align actions with intentions. Ensure that your actions are aligned with your intentions and desires. Before taking action, ask yourself if it moves you closer to your goals and aligns with your values and intentions. Trust the process. Trust that taking inspired action will lead you closer to your desires, even if you're unsure of the outcome. Have faith that the universe supports you and is guiding you towards your goals. Be proactive. Take proactive steps to create the life you desire, rather than waiting for things to happen. Be proactive in seeking out opportunities, making connections, and pursuing your goals with determination and enthusiasm. Stay flexible. Remain flexible and adaptable in your approach. If one strategy isn't working, be willing to try something new or adjust your approach as needed. Flexibility allows you to pivot when necessary and find alternative paths towards your goals. By taking inspired action, you empower yourself to create positive change and manifest your desires into reality. Trust in your intuition, stay open to opportunities, and take consistent steps towards your goals to bring your dreams to fruition. Expressing gratitude is a powerful practice that can enhance your well-being, attract more positivity into your life, and strengthen your connection with the universe. Here's how to express gratitude effectively. Start a gratitude journal. Dedicate a few minutes each day to write down things you're grateful for. It could be anything from small daily blessings to significant achievements or relationships. Writing them down helps to solidify your gratitude and focus your attention on the positive aspects of your life. Practice mindfulness. Incorporate gratitude into your daily mindfulness practice. Take moments throughout the day to pause and appreciate the present moment. Notice the beauty around you. Savor the taste of your food. Or take a deep breath and feel gratitude for the gift of life itself. Express appreciation to others. Take the time to express your gratitude to those around you. Send a heartfelt thank you note, give someone a compliment, or simply say thank you more often. Expressing gratitude to others not only uplifts their spirits, but also strengthens your relationships and creates a ripple effect of positivity. Reflect on challenges. Shift your perspective on challenges and setbacks by finding something to be grateful for in every situation. Even in difficult times, there are lessons to be learned, opportunities for growth, or silver linings to appreciate. Practice gratitude rituals. Create rituals or routines that remind you to express gratitude regularly. This could be saying a prayer of thanks before meals, setting aside time for gratitude meditation, or creating a gratitude jar where you write down things you're grateful for and revisit them later. Focus on abundance. Shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance by focusing on what you have rather than what you lack. Cultivate a sense of abundance by acknowledging and appreciating the blessings, resources, and opportunities that surround you. Express gratitude for challenges. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and express gratitude for the lessons they provide. Recognize that challenges help you develop resilience, strength, and wisdom, ultimately contributing to your personal growth and evolution. Practice self-gratitude. Don't forget to express gratitude for yourself and your own efforts. Acknowledge your strengths, accomplishments, and progress towards your goals. Treat yourself with kindness and appreciation, just as you would a dear friend. By incorporating gratitude into your daily life, you can cultivate a more positive mindset, deepen your connection with the universe, and invite more blessings and abundance into your life. Remember, asking the universe is not about demanding or pleading. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires to create the life you want.